Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. We have that BMW E46 and today we will show you how to remove and replace gear shift knob on automatic. Okay, you know we have that ZHP here, 330. And we have also this one right here that we're working on. Loving the beamers, what to tell you, but stay with us, guys. Many videos on our channel, Auto Repair, guys, about fixing an E46. Also on World Mechanics, this is our main build. Check it out, guys. World Mechanics is in the description below. Please subscribe, let's grow the channel together and let's go ahead and start on this one now. Okay guys, so what do we need to do next? You need to have the car in neutral, okay? It needs to be in neutral, so the shifting lever is pointing straight up. Now it's very important, guys. You might need two people for that because it will require quite a bit of a pull. You need to press the button on the front, okay? And it's very important not to twist left or right. Just pull straight up, okay? And grab it really hard, okay? And pull. And it came out, guys. That's it. You can see that's how you remove the shifter knob on that BMW E46, which is not very complicated at all. Okay guys, so that's how you remove it, that's how you replace it. When you're ready to replace it, all you have to do, okay, just grab it, get it in the groove there, okay, and push it in until it locks all the way, okay, like that. You can see, perfect, it snapped in. Okay, all the way, so you cannot move it. So that will be the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.